away!
Whoa, what jewels? Who are you?
I don't have time for explanations. I need to find those jewels before she does.
Before who? What jewels?
Found you.
Ah! No, no, damn it! Brand new TV!
Grab that box! Protect it with your life!
Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, okay. Where do I hide this? Come on, Antonio, think. Babe, hey, this really isn't a good time.
You said you were leaving 10 minutes ago. I'm literally standing outside.
You're not gonna believe me. There are 2 aliens in my apartment. Fuck the ring!
Antonio? What's going on? Talk to me.